Depression is not a sign of weakness or a character flaw. It is a common and severe mood disorder that affects how you feel, think, and act. It can cause persistent sadness, hopelessness, guilt, and loss of interest in things you used to enjoy. Depression can also interfere with your daily functioning and affect your physical health. The symptoms may vary from person to person and change over time.
But first, let's do a quick self-check. I will ask you some questions and you can answer them honestly in your mind. There are no right or wrong answers. Just be honest with yourself.
Do you often feel sad or empty for no reason? Do you feel hopeless or helpless about your life or your future? Do you feel guilty or ashamed of yourself or things you have done? Do you have trouble enjoying things that you used to like? Do you have difficulty motivating yourself to do anything? Do you isolate yourself from your friends, family, or social activities? Do you feel tired, sluggish, or exhausted all the time?
Do you have trouble sleeping or sleeping too much? Do you eat too much or too little, leading to weight gain or loss? Do you have physical symptoms such as headaches, stomach aches, muscle pain, or rather unexplained aches and pains? Do you feel restless, agitated, or irritable? Do you have difficulty concentrating, remembering, or making decisions? Do you feel anxious, nervous, or worried? Do you have thoughts of death or suicide?
If you answered yes to any of these questions, you may have some symptoms of depression. If you have any of these symptoms for over 2 weeks, you should reach out for help and support.
For more information, you can contact us at mindandhealth.innovations@gmail.com. You can also join us in Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. The links are provided in the comments section. This video is brought to you by Mind and Health Innovations MAHI, your friend for mental wellness and support.